Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I've got a fun video where I'm going to be comparing two bags. I've got my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis here in the monogram. I've had this bag for a little over 4 years now. And then I've got my newer Parisa Wang top handle bag. Now this is the beautiful burgundy color in the calfskin, and I unboxed this in my latest video along with two other Parisa Wang bags. So if you missed that, be sure to go check it out. Now I'm going to say at first glance these bags look kind of different. Well, they are different, but now that I've had a few days to play with this bag, I realize that it's more similar to my Pochette Métis than I expected, and that's a good thing because you guys know I love my Pochette Métis. I love the silhouette, the size, I love the capacity of it. It's very comfortable, it's lightweight, and I like that it holds so much but it's not bulky. It's kind of deceiving. So I think it's a very classic silhouette. Now this is a little bit different in that it doesn't have that really true rectangular shape. This is slightly more trapezoidal. It tapers up at the top, so it looks kind of like the Fendi Peekaboo or the Hermes Kelly or some of the Ferragamo bags that look like this. So I know that it has a lot of remnants of other bags, but this right here has the Parisa Wang detailing right here, and then on the back it says PW, and then it's got feet, which is really nice. It's got a back pocket with a magnetic closure for security. Then you've got a push lock feature here to open it up, which is nice. Main compartment, slip pocket for easy access for cards, cash, Metro card, things like that, top handle, and then you've got a removable and adjustable matching strap, which I've taken off for the purposes of this portion of the video because I didn't want the strap flopping around everywhere, but I will put it on in a minute. Also, the same thing with the Pochette Métis. It has, of course, the removable, adjustable matching strap. It's got the top handle here. You've got the Vachetta on the monogram. So the Vachetta leather has patinaed over time. You can see it has aged. The underside is a little bit lighter, and then you've got a little bit darker where the part touches all the elements, my hands, the oils of my hands, water, snow, mist, whatever. I usually spray this with Apple Guard, so I've talked about this in previous videos, and that has helped to keep the patina pretty uniform. You can see there are no really gnarly, super noticeable water stains or marks. Same with this piece right here. Otherwise, the canvas is holding up really nicely. You've got a back pocket as well here. This time it is a zippered compartment. And then you push the S-lock here and it opens. And this has compartments. You've got one compartment here, another compartment here, and then a back compartment. So 3 compartments split, which is different from the Parisa Wang. Now this, I believe now, the price is about what? A little over $2,500. Wow. And the Parisa Wang, I think, is like $340-ish. I don't have the prices in front of me, but with the holiday sales, it is currently about $240-ish. So that makes it less than 10% of the price of the Pochette Métis today. Wow, 10%. Now, if we're talking about value, I always love to introduce more affordable up-and-coming brands, and especially New York City-based brands, which Parisa Wang is. Because I'm a native New Yorker, I can't help myself. This is not sponsored, they're not an affiliate, but they're generous enough to send me bags from time to time to try out and review. I'm never obligated to make videos, and they are also very generous in sending me exclusive codes. So right now I have a code that is valid through the end of the year, and it is Hannah12. I'll put it down below. If you use that code, you get an additional 12% off, meaning that if you order something even during a big sale, and it's already, let's say, marked down 20%, you can still add my code to the cart and you'll get an additional 12% off on top of that. So I had to share that. Again, I don't get any payment or commission or anything like that for sharing this. I just wanted to share because that code was given to me to share exclusively with my community. All right, so here we've got a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna see how this transfers over. I'm really curious because, the Parisa Wang looks slimmer, even though the sizing is similar on the outside, like even on the side here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so let's see if everything will fit. Okay, so first thing, the biggest item is my Hermes Ulysses notebook, which I carry with me all the time now because I love writing down notes and jotting ideas down. This, my little twin star pouch with a bunch of stuff, lotion, lip balm, hair tie, Benadryl, Motrin, Band-Aids. This I got in Tokyo on my trip this summer. Such a good size, super cute, reminds me of my kids because I have a girl and a boy. So that fits, all right. Let's see, pack of tissues. I've got my coin purse, but this is holding my earbuds. You guys know, if you've seen these videos on my channel, I have had this for a long time. And then I've got my Noshinku hand sanitizer, which is still my favorite. The eucalyptus scent is still my favorite, and I love how slim this is. Then I've got my little tortoise shell hair clip to pull my hair back, and a pen, of course. I I feel like I'm always writing. I'm like a crazy person. I have to write everything down, and then when someone looks at my writings, it probably looks like I'm a lunatic because it doesn't make sense to anyone else except me. Okay, so let's start putting these things in. Hand sanitizer. All right, I'm gonna put the pen upside down. I always do that in case it explodes, which has never happened, thankfully, but still I put it upside down. And then what else? Of course, so important. My Kirigami pouch, this is the smallest size. I use it as a little wallet. So nice, because it's a little bit more giving than a traditional flat card holder. So when I want to roll up cash, it just gives more space. And then this has my keys. These two I carry with me pretty much everywhere. So part of my essentials. Oh my gosh, okay. This is fitting better than I expected. Hold on. So everything fits so far. What? No bulging. Okay, really? I love it. Okay. I'm just smiling because I wasn't sure. And then, oh, I have my Metro card back here. So I don't know if you guys know, but the Pochette Métis, when it's empty, it's hard to close because it smushes down. So you have to like really push it to make the lock click. Similarly with the Parisa Wang. So it's tricky when it's empty, but when it's full or even half full, I've noticed it's just easier because I tried carrying one of my library books in here earlier this week. And I noticed as soon as I put the book in, it closed so easily, the lock. But then when it was empty and I was just playing with it, it was a little trickier to close. So something to note on both bags. Okay, so that's it, right? And then usually I have my phone in here, but since I am filming with my phone, I'm just going to use my old case. This is the iPhone Max size. So this is the biggest. It's just an old case. So let's see, will it fit back here? All right, it's pushing in. Okay. Yes. Okay, now it is stretching a little bit, but I don't mind that. This leather feels super durable. Actually, I have pretty long nails at the moment, and you know, I can scratch and it has not been a problem. So this is a big phone, so it looks like this. If you have a smaller phone, it will probably fit better. I will say I've put this styrofoam piece here so that it is just like a real phone and it's not just an empty case, just to make sure that it feels like a real comparison or a real test. Okay, so there we go. I like it. Okay, now here is the beautiful matching strap. And it's got the nice clasps here. It says PW on the ends, so a lot of detail. And clips right on, very easy. So I love the versatility of bags like these because you can wear it top handle, you can wear it shoulder or crossbody. You can also wear it with a different strap if you want to be playful. So I like that you can remove this entirely. So I'll show you that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. And one of you had asked if this was too short in length. It's not. I'm actually putting it on the second to shortest, and it hits me perfectly at the hip when I wear it crossbody, even with a coat on. So there's plenty of room to lengthen. I am about 5 feet 6 inches tall. I do have more of a straight kind of slim figure. I'm not like curvy or anything, so just something to bear in mind. But I feel like this should work for most people. Now I'm going to compare it with the Pochette Métis strap. Matching monogram. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. Also, obviously adjustable, and I put it on the second to shortest. So the Parisa Wang has 1 extra hole more than the Pochette Métis strap. So that goes on. And let me just see the lengths here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing, but it looks pretty comparable. They're both on the second to shortest length, right? On the second hole on each, and they're pretty much about the same length, very, very similar. And then you've got all the other holes to adjust to your liking. And because this is a smidge shorter, but the top handle is a little bit taller, you can see the slight difference here, but the strap starts around the same point. Now with the Pochette Métis, the strap starts on the sides. And then with the Parisa Wang Madison top handle, it starts up here on the sides of the top handle. So that's the only difference. But I do think the strap length is generous and will work for a lot of people. So I'm really happy that everything fit nicely. And I can even slip in a few things in the corner here, like an extra lip balm or, you know, something skinny, slim. And I'm not overpacking. You see here, the seams are great. And I will say that the leather on this just feels nice. It feels really nice. The hardware feels nice. And I'm really happy to have this color, guys, in my handbag collection because I don't own anything like this color. It's so pretty. Let me know what you think. With the sale price right now, like I said, it is about 10% the price of the Pochette Métis, not even considering the on-print leather versions, which are more. I think those are over $2,800, but the canvas is, I think it's around $2,500 right now. So the sale price is under $250, plus you can use my exclusive promo code and get more savings. And my gosh, if you think about it that way, I kind of feel like, I mean, to each their own, and obviously the Pochette Métis does something for me that this Parisa Wang bag does not do for me, and vice versa, because they are different and unique in their own way. But if you think about it, just purely as percentage, that this is about 10% the price of the Pochette Métis on sale, granted, it's kind of crazy. I don't know. Does that make you think twice? I still think this is a great bag, but with the price increases, it's a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about either of the bags, do let me know in the comments below. I'll try my best to get to them. If you found this video to be helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.